Welcome everyone to today's video. We're diving deep into the concept of expected shortfall, also known as conditional value at risk. If you're a risk manager, investor, or just someone interested in finance, this video is for you. So, what is expected shortfall? Expected shortfall, ES, measures the risk of an investment in a more comprehensive way than value at risk VAR. Simply put, it looks beyond the VAR threshold and averages the losses in the tail beyond this point. Let's use an example to better understand expected shortfall. Imagine you have a portfolio valued at $1 million. Based on historical data, you determine that the 5% value at risk, VAR, over a one-day period is $50,000. This means there is a 5% chance that the portfolio will lose more than $50,000 in one day. Now, if the actual loss exceeds $50,000, expected shortfall will help us understand what the average loss is in these extreme scenarios. To calculate the expected shortfall, you would take the average of losses that exceed the VAR threshold of $50,000. Imagine over a period, the losses beyond the $50,000 VAR threshold were $55,000, $60,000, $70,000, $80,000, and $100,000. The expected shortfall would be the average of these values. As you can see from this example, the expected shortfall provides us with a more complete view of potential extreme losses compared to VAR alone. Now, you might be wondering, how is expected shortfall used in practice? Expected shortfall is particularly useful for financial institutions and risk managers who need to prepare for worst-case scenarios. It provides a more conservative risk measure, ensuring that they can withstand significant losses. Let's consider a question. Say you have two portfolios, A and B. Portfolio A has a 5% VAR of $100,000 and expected shortfall of $120,000. Portfolio B has a 5% VAR of $100,000 and an expected shortfall of $150,000. Which portfolio is riskier in the extreme tail risk scenario? The answer is portfolio B is riskier in the extreme tail risk scenario because its expected shortfall is higher at $150,000 compared to portfolio A's $120,000. This indicates that on average, the losses beyond the VAR threshold are higher for portfolio B. Let's look at some graphical data to further illustrate this concept. As you can see from the bar graph, portfolio B has a higher expected shortfall value, which visually reiterates that it carries higher risk in extreme scenarios. Now, let's address some frequently asked questions. First, how does expected shortfall compare to value at risk, VAR? While VAR provides a threshold value of potential loss with a given confidence level, ES helps in understanding the severity of losses beyond this point. This is why ES is preferred for more comprehensive risk assessment. Another common question is, how is expected shortfall calculated in practice? There are various methods to calculate expected shortfall, including historical simulation, Monte Carlo simulation, and parametric methods. Each method comes with its own set of assumptions and complexities. Now, let's explore some real-world data. Consider a dataset of daily returns from a stock portfolio over a year. Using historical simulation, we can plot the expected shortfall over different confidence intervals. In this line graph, notice how the expected shortfall increases with higher confidence levels. This indicates that as we become more confident, moving to the right, the average extreme losses are greater. To sum up, expected shortfall is a valuable metric in financial risk management. It provides a deeper understanding of potential extreme losses, making it an essential tool for professionals in finance. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Feel free to leave any questions in the comments section below. Until next time, stay financially savvy.